friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. This is my second video of Factory Act 1948. In this video, I will cover some another remaining MCQ question and answer. Let's move toward first question. Choose the correct option that state the type of leave facility for the worker mentioned in the Factory Act. Right answer is C. Annual leave with wage as per the Factory Act. Now question number second. The statement true or false? A young person between 15 to 18 years of age is not allowed to the work on any dangerous machine. This statement is false. Because a young person between 15 to 18 years of age is not allowed to work on any dangerous machine without training or supervision. If supervision or educated training is given, then they will be allowed to work. Now next question is, which section of the Factory Act covers the list of diseases given in the schedule? The right answer is D. Section 89. Now next question is, under section 106, a complaint must be filed within 3 months of the date when the commission of the offence comes to knowledge of an inspector. Question number 6. Section 76 empowers the state government to make rule for. The right answer is D. Prescribing physical standard to be attained by the young person for the working in a factory. Now question number 7. Which of the below mentioned provision come under safety provisions? The right answer is C. Self-acting machinery. Now question number 8. Choose the correct option that states the duties of a certifying surgeon as per the section 10(4) of the Factory Act. The right answer is D. All of the above. Now question number 9. Where worker of the same kind is carried out by the two or more seats of a worker working during different period of the day, each of such seat is called relay. Now question number 10. In cubic metric, how much space is allotted to each worker after the commencement of a Factory Act? The right answer is C. 14.2. Thank you so much friends for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for more videos related to management and human resource management for the preparation of UGC NET and JRF. Thank you so much.
Make the ground shake.